the capital of China. Leave the area immediately and keep the way for it. Over.
Port Edwan.
China Coast Guard Vessel 3302. This is Philippine Coast Guard Vessel BRP Cabra, MRRV 4409. You are advised that you are currently sailing within the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone, approximately 91.98 nautical miles from Palawig Point, Zambales, Philippines. In accordance with Republic Act 12064, the Philippine Maritime Zones Act, the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, of which you are a party, the 2016 Arbitral Award. You do not possess any legal authority to patrol within the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone. You are directed to cease and desist from conducting illegal maritime patrols within the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone. Your illegal activities will be reported to higher authorities.